क्रीम खरीद ली, बस उसकी जिंदगी सॉर्ट हो गई।
We want fair, long, beautiful girl to be air hostess.
We are here today. We are discussing the portrayal of women in ads. जो हम रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में देखते हैं, कुछ होते हैं मजेदार और कुछ होते हैं बिजार।
Let's see. आप भी देखो।
She touched the pickle.
She touched the pickle. Oh yes, she did.
Girls, let's break the taboos. Go ahead and touch the pickle.
ये एक myth है कि you don't touch the pickle when you are in periods. Okay. Yeah.
अगर पिकल टच किया in your periods तो पिकल खराब हो जाता है, which is ridiculous.
तो मतलब आगे से कोई सब्जी में खट्टापन कम है तो सिर्फ हाथ लगा देने का।
My only problem is कि हर पीरियड एड्स में लड़कियों ने white नहीं पहना है।
The amount of dadis they have used.
Yeah. Dani is equal to tradition is equal to myth is equal to don't touch the pickle. No? That's why.
Still, I definitely think it's a little bit of a way forward at least. Yeah. And also like the ending where they're unwrapping the newspaper to show the pack.
ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है।
Just like इसका तो मिल रहा है।
She is getting the D.
Yeah.
ये तो बड़ा टॉइंग है। 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 I'm all macho, crafted for fantasy.
अरे यार।
And still it doesn't wear out.
Yeah.
And the next level symbolism, man.
Underwear is somehow sensuous. I guess we're a population that gets turned on very easily because we put sex under इतने सारे कपड़ों में रैप करके रखा है कि I guess ऐसे underwear लहराने से bra लहराई तो
एक और कॉफी देना।
दूध नहीं है, कॉफी। बेटी की कमाई यूं ही पीते जा रहे हो।
such stereotypes पे stereotypes.
उसको कॉफी नहीं मिली तो उसने सीधा बेटे पे डाल दिया। क्यों बेटा ज्यादा कॉफी देता?
एयर होस्टेस।
बदल दे दुनिया आपकी नए फेयर एंड लवली का 4-स्टेप एक्शन।
We want fair, long, beautiful girl to be air hostess.
Like father is depressed, mother is depressed. Then इससे अच्छा तो बेटा होता. Like हर एक चीज पे इतना सुनाया उसको जेंडर, कलर,
मतलब जाके वो क्रीम खरीद ली, बस उसकी जिंदगी सॉर्ट हो गई। काश मेरी लाइफ ऐसी होती ना।
पहले जो पल के झपकाए।
मजा आ रहा है guys. बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
रसिया आजा।
slow-mo drop falling on her lip.
honestly, I know what it indicates, but it's really hot.
I can't.
कहाँ से आए थे यार?
Objectify तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा because वो लड़का भी बहुत hot है.
She is expressing her sexual desire through a slice, but where she is.
I mean, this does give you that visual pleasure somewhere.
How have you been?
बस वैसे ही जैसे तुमने छोड़ा था।
तेरे को तो छोड़ा है ना, छूटा है ना तू। तेरे बाप का क्या जा रहा है?
Still not married.
काम से टाइम कहाँ मिलता है?
He's triggering me right now.
We could have made it work, you know. If you'd only quit working.
तुम भी तो क्विट कर सकते थे।
मेरी बात अलग है।
Of course यार, how can a man not work? How?
Ultimately, Jackie, it is always that if there is a sacrifice in the house to be made, it has to be the woman.
Yeah.
If there's a job change, nobody is going to move with the woman for the woman.
Yeah.
So I have a daughter. I've been actually called that for getting home late. Oh, तुझे परवाह नहीं है. I said, but when the father gets home late, the same questions are not asked. They're like, oh, थक गया होगा.
तुम ना आज भी वैसे ही हो जैसे मैंने तुम्हें छोड़ा था।
This is the exact reaction I have right now.
Yeah.
Chut यार.
यार
Such a beautiful slap on the face.
कितने प्यार से.
प्यार से, no raising. You don't have to. She literally said nothing.
Yeah.
And it was like a fun.
तुम वही के वही हो. तुम्हारी सोच कभी नहीं बदलेगी.
धागे हैं ये कच्चे पक्के, एक से दूजा सिरा जोड़ लेंगे, एक बंधन बुनते जाएंगे।
वाह,
ये रस्म तो आपके घर पे होती भी नहीं है ना?
पर बिटिया को खुश रखने की रस्म तो हर घर में होती है ना।
It is such a progressive, such a beautifully shot ad. उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं, क्यों इसको हटा?
Love, acceptance, bond between two
Like they
women.
literally covered everything that you want from an ad.
What are they saying? They're saying nothing. They're saying a beautiful story, and this people are saying it as Hindu, Muslim. It's actually any two households ka culture, yeah.
Just a gesture, I
It's
think.
just a gesture.
Two women sharing love, sharing happiness,
And respecting each
and
other's
respecting each
religion.
other. Yeah.
Love is love.
Yeah.
You know, like all these barriers like religion and caste and any of this, and it doesn't matter. Is what they're trying to portray. But
So guys, that was it.
All the ads that we saw, अभी के पहले के, like when the women is the protagonist, उसके बहुत सारे faces और facets दिखाए हुए हैं जो evolve हुए हैं over time.
the ads are going in the right way. I think the audience is not coping up with them, which we really need to.
We hope you enjoyed, and do let us know in the comment section below if you want to see more of these reactions. I mean, you can just send us the ads and the links below. So yeah,
Thank you for watching.
please like and share and subscribe. Bye.